I have a problem that I bet every single one of you has had before. You have a room in your house, and it's so boring you can't even look at it. You want to make it look amazing, but picking paint and furniture is expensive. Making a mistake feels like getting a bad haircut the day before a wedding. There's no easy way to fix it. People say AI is going to take over every job on the planet, but an interior designer? There's no way. So I decided to put it to the ultimate test. I gave an AI just one photo of the ugliest room in my house, and what it gave me back is actually insane. This is the saddest, most boring room you have ever seen. It's supposed to be my office, but it's really just a graveyard for random junk. This is the room I locked the door on so no one ever sees it. The walls are this gross beige color, the furniture doesn't match, and the layout is just all wrong. It has zero personality. My dream is to make this a room I actually want to work in, but I've spent hundreds of hours on Pinterest and gotten nowhere. It's like having a cookbook with a million ingredients but zero recipes. The challenge is simple. Can AI give me an idea that doesn't completely suck? Let's find out. So these AI tools claim to be super easy to use. All you have to do is upload a photo, and they give you a new room in seconds. It's like a photo filter, but for your entire reality. I found a tool called Room GPT, and we're putting it to the test right now. The process was insanely simple. Upload the photo, tell it it's an office, and pick a style. And you won't believe how many styles there were. It was an endless list. Modern, minimalist, industrial, even crazy stuff like Art Deco and Japandi. It was a buffet of design. I've always wanted a room that was either Scandinavian or modern, so for our first test, we're going to make the AI design both. So I uploaded the photo, I clicked Scandinavian, and I waited. I was 100% convinced this was going to be a total failure. I was expecting it to look like one of those weird AI-generated pictures where everyone has 6 fingers. I was ready to laugh at whatever it came up with. But then, the first image loaded, and I was speechless. This wasn't my office. It was a completely different room. The AI had turned my boring office into this incredible sanctuary. It ripped out my disgusting beige walls and made them bright white, making the room feel huge. It threw out my terrible chair and put in this super clean ergonomic one. It even added this amazing soft rug that made the entire room feel warmer. The AI understood Scandinavian design perfectly. It's all about natural materials and light, and the AI absolutely crushed it. It was like a master chef knowing exactly which spices to add. It brought in light wood, floating shelves, and it even hid all my messy cables. It literally fixed everything I hated about the room. It even added awesome new lighting, with a cool lamp hanging over the desk and another one in the corner to make it feel super cozy. I was looking at a version of my room that was 1,000 times better. I never would have thought of this myself, but seeing it like this, I wanted to build it immediately. It looked amazing, and it looked like something I could actually do. Okay, the AI killed the first test, but could it do it again with a completely different style? For round 2, we're going with modern. I went back, uploaded the same exact photo, clicked modern, and waited. This time I was so excited. And you are not going to believe this. The result was just as insane, but it felt like a totally different world. All the cozy stuff was gone. This was sleek, cool, and looked expensive. We're talking crisp whites, charcoal grays, and a desk with a glossy top and metal legs. It threw out the bookshelf for a low credenza that made the room look so clean. It knew exactly what modern design is. And then it did something I would never have the guts to do. It painted one wall dark gray. I would have been too scared to try that. But looking at this picture, it just works. It was like the bass line in a perfect song. It gave the room serious depth and made everything else pop. This was a room for getting stuff done. The AI showed me a version of my room I couldn't have imagined in a million years. So what's the final verdict? Can AI actually design your room? After this experiment, my answer is 100% yes. Look, it's not going to show up to your house and manage contractors, but for what we need, it's a game changer. The biggest problem with decorating is you're scared to make an expensive mistake. This AI completely eliminates that fear. It's like a flight simulator for interior design. You can crash and burn 100 times with different ideas without ever denting your wall or your wallet. You can try hundreds of styles in minutes for basically free. It's like having an unlimited interior designer on call. It shows you what's possible and gives you the confidence to actually do it. These weren't just cool pictures. They gave me a literal blueprint for how to make my room amazing. It's not just a photo, it's a treasure map pointing to exactly where everything should go. The value you get is insane. I started this experiment thinking AI was just a gimmick, and I ended it with 2 incredible designs I want to build right now. I gave the AI my worst room, and it gave me back 2 insane designs. Now I have a huge problem. I don't know which one to build, and I need your help to decide. Which one should I build in real life? Let me know in the comments right now. Are you on Team Scandinavian or Team Modern? Vote in the comments. And if you want to see me actually build the winning design in a future video, you have to subscribe right now because we are actually going to do it. Thanks for watching.